What is up, FunAhead friends and family? I hope you're all doing swimmingly well. Today, I've got a bit of a surprise for you guys, and it has to do with some loud pipes on a Porsche. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned. So, like I said, we are working on loud pipes on a Porsche today, and we're not working on that Porsche because honestly that has about the loudest loud pipes that you could possibly put on a Porsche. We are working on the 987 Boxster S. Yes, that Boxster S, the one that we rebuilt the engine in just a couple months ago on this channel. If you missed all that saga, please go back and watch it. It was quite a fun series, at least I think it was. But the car is coming back today, and we are going to swap out the stock exhaust for a pretty nice upgrade. But first, a little bit of background. So, I actually ended up selling the 987 Boxster to my brother-in-law, Matt. And so that's pretty cool. The car stayed in the family, which I love. And he's not a Porsche guy historically, but he owns this car. The fact that he got enough into this car to not only A, want to buy it, but B, want to upgrade it basically right away makes me quite an excited dude. So he will be here in just a little bit. And once he gets here, we're going to do an unboxing of this particular situation right here. That right there is arguably one of the best names in aftermarket exhaust systems, and I am so freaking psyched to get that thing out of the box. But before he gets here, we do need to move my 911 off the lift, of which the engine is out of it, so we got to get really manual mode with that. Unfortunately, I skipped leg day this week, but I guess I'm about to get it. Well, look who's here. What a beautiful sight. It's been a second since that car's been in here, but she's back. Well, everyone, check it out. The Boxster is back in the shop. And here's Matt. Everyone say hi to Matt. So we just got the car in here, obviously. Just before that, we did some before audio rips so that we can do some sweet before and after comparisons at the end of the video. But for now, it's time to unbox the exhaust. Ooh, okay. All right. Look at these nice V-clamps. First of all, love the way they package this stuff. Ooh. Like, I love how they have all the hardware taped to the, you don't have to like, dig around the box and find it. And they even put the Fabspeed thing on the pipe. So basically the system that Matt got was next to the loudest system you can get. Basically, it has resonators, but not mufflers. Ooh, and this right here is the money maker, the crossover pipe, so that you don't just get 3 cylinders per pipe. You actually have all 6 cylinders coming out of both. And then there's the resonator. So yeah, that's basically everything that is going to be silencing this car. Oh. I wonder if we can hide these any better.
Yeah, I know.
I don't love how that's kind of like sticking out. Maybe we can cut it.
Cut these bolts down.
Yeah. All right, so just a preface, or actually kind of a retroactive preface. The whole purpose of this video, besides everyone wants to see a before and after an application of a sweet Fabspeed system. The video I made several years back with my Cayman installing my boreless system got a lot of comments, a lot of people really interested in that system. However, that system is not sold anymore. So this system right here is basically the most comparable system to that boreless system that Fabspeed sells. So it's kind of like the modern day take on, hey, if you want to throw a super nice aftermarket exhaust on your Boxster Cayman, this is the one to get. All right, well, we've got the car racked, which means it's time to get started. I got my teeny tiny sport coat on. Now Matt just needs one. Boom. Let's get to work. Look at this guy. What a looker. What a looker. That's how you model a sport coat right there. All right, just to give you guys an idea of the stock system here. So there is the stock muffler. In addition to the mufflers, the stock system does have secondary catalytic converters as well. This is super heavy, these 2 mufflers, and so the new systems will be really light compared to this. All right, well, first things first, we're gonna get these wheels off, and then we can start taking stuff down. Well, we got the stock system off. Can confirm this thing is freaking heavy. So not sure exactly how much our weight savings are going to be, but it's significant. Now it's just a matter of putting up all the individual parts and pieces of the new system. So we'll put these up one by one. And the nice thing about this system is it's very adjustable. It will allow us to hopefully be able to put the tips at the right height and right, orientation left and right. Also, one thing I didn't clarify, this is just what they would call a cat back system from the cat's back. We are retaining the original headers and catalytic converters. I did mention the secondary catalytic converters in the old muffler. Those are going, but of course, this thing still makes plenty good emissions with the original cats. In fact, it's only the first stage cats that are monitored by the secondary O2 sensors, as you can see. All right, cool. After quite a long time of messing around and getting things straightened out, we have it in a good-ish setting to be able to at least, test fire this thing and see what it sounds like. All right, everybody. Well, that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys found that enjoyable, seeing the awesome before and after. Honestly, it makes quite a difference on this car. Just how much more meat comes out of the exhaust now. Again, like I said, this would be a perfect substitute for the boreless system that I put onto my Cayman several years ago. I will also drop the name of this particular system down in the description of this video. I don't know it off the top of my head, but I will let you guys know just so you can cross-reference what Matt bought. I do know that it is one of the more loud systems that they sell. It might be the loudest system for the Boxster Cayman, but it is definitely a higher price point than what the boreless system was that I bought a couple years ago. But you'll have that with Fabspeed because, quite honestly, it is an amazing product. Anyway, we've still got some fine-tuning to do with regards to the tip placement. We're kind of running tight on time, and we really wanted to get some before-after footage for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions regarding what we did in this video, please feel free to drop a comment down below, and please like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Yes, you. I'm looking right at you. And I will see you all hopefully in the next episode. Thanks for tuning in to FunAhead TV. Oh, hey FunAhead friends and family. Thanks so much for watching that video. If you want to see even more great FunAhead TV content, please click the suggested video right here. I'll see you over there.